How to change Facebook Messenger background color. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change Facebook Messenger background color. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the Messenger application, make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap open the conversation where you want to change the background color. As you can see, the background color is plain. If you want to change it, tap on the username at the top of your screen. This menu will be displayed. From all of these options, tap on the one that says Theme. Once you open the theme, you have different theme options here. Select any one you want. As you can see, the preview is over here. If this is the background color you want it to be, then tap on the select option and the entire background will change. Now, if you only want the chat bubble color to be changed, then you want to scroll all the way down and you have the option of colors and gradients. From here, select any color you prefer. Once you have found the color you like, tap on the option of select. Once you do that, the color is successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.